Deepseek, a Chinese startup, launched its open source AI model R1 earlier this year, causing quite stir in large language model landscape. R1 is built using transformer architecture and trained on extensive data, allowing it to match or even outperform some of the most advanced LLMs like OpenAI's O1 or even GPT-5 in various tasks. However, what makes Deepseek R1 truly disruptive is its affordability. It offers these impressive capabilities at roughly 90% less cost than its competitor. One reason why users find Deepseek R1 appealing is its user-friendliness. Many advanced LLMs require careful prompt engineering to coax out the best performance, but R1 doesn't demand that. R1 does not demand this level of expertise. It delivers clear, conscious answer to simple prompts without needing intricate prompts or fine-tuning, making it accessible for developers and users alike. Since its release, Deepseek R1 has garnered significant market attention. Stock of other LLMs providers have dipped since the announcement of Deepseek's model, indicating a shift in investor confidence and also putting pressure on companies to improve their models or reduce costs to stay competitive in this field. The open source nature of R1, the open source nature of Deepseek R1 contributes significantly to its disruptive potential. By making R1 freely available, developers from worldwide can scrutinize its performance, refine its abilities through feedback loop, and fine-tune it for specific tasks without incurring significant cost. Moreover, users appreciate R1's impressive thinking capabilities. It excels in complex reasoning tasks, brainstorming innovative solutions for a real-world problem, and generating engaging stories or poem also. Established LLM providers are likely respond to Deepseek's R1's impact by improving their model performance or reducing cost. Meanwhile, Deepseek continues to advance AI capabilities by offering a powerful, user-friendly and affordable alternative as the AI landscape evolves. It is essential for users and developers alike to stay informed about these developments and explore how emerging LLMs like Deepseek R1 can benefit their applications. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of informative videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.